Okay, friends, let's start our live trading session where today we'll trade together, analyze the market, and firstly, we are going to analyze why all of this moment on crypto market happened and what we can do at this moment. Firstly, write few words about audio and video quality. It's important to hear your feedback. Do you hear me well and see me well? And also, I would like to send to all our members that we started. Mm. Okay, we are live. Good. Let me check our audio and video quality. And also let's send to our mates in Discord this update that we just started. Yeah, Visar here. Happy to see you, my friend. Happy to see you here. Let's connect the platform. Once more, what would be a program for today, friends? Today we'll analyze major coins. We'll analyze major coins, what we can trade at this moment, and after we'll look for trading plans that we can trade today. And also I will show to you some of my trades, positive, negative, just to see like how reality is. And during the time, I will reply to your questions, will help you understand scalping and scalping techniques. Before we start, I ask you to push like, because in that case, YouTube shows this video, this translation to more people. And that's important for us because when more people will see it, it's far easier to create good content for you, hire good people that even do video editing, all that stuff. At this moment, rank quality of this video from 1 to 10 about audio and video quality. Just do it into a chat. I think this webcam for me, it would be very easy. Okay. 10. TH Ballroom. Thank you, friend. Okay, let's do a live join. Thank you, my friend. My beard, my wife cut my beard and exactly before the stream, because she said you cannot start the stream without a good haircut and beard. Good. Awesome. 10. How are you doing, Taz? Mate, I'm good. Like we have sometimes electricity shut down, and that's the worst stuff. And at this moment that I feel. Okay. Okay, guys, I open live chat that I can read it from my cell phone. Okay, let's start. Let's do analysis of whole entire major coins market and all of the situations that go on. At this moment, what's going on BTC and all entire market? BTC, friends, let me do this one. Bro, I like your footprint. Daniel, thank you. And about footprints, soon there would be new lessons that will help people to trade. Before, friends, Before friends we start, I would like to show to you how footprint is powerful. By the way, type at this moment into a chat if you know what's a footprint. Type 1 if you know, type 2 if you like, plus you know, minus you don't know. Example like yesterday, this footprint, beautiful footprint. Someone bought huge amount of coins on Ethereum, and after that coin pumped by nearly 10% within several minutes. By the way, you can join this channel. It's a free channel where we share trading plans and signals, and that will help you understand. Just join. David and Taz, friends, let me show to you this beautiful stuff. Let's wait for response from a server. Footprint, it is a special tool that shows to you where people bought and sold a lot of coins. Let me open example for you. Even this one BNB yesterday. Why I cannot open this picture? Maybe on Discord that would be way easier. Have a look at this example on ETH. Let me show to you this beautiful example on ETH. Yesterday, someone bought here 40,000 of ETH at 1,435. Who did it? We don't know, but beauty of footprints that we can see where people did it. That's it. This, like, no one can hide it. And 1,435, it was exactly here after price hit 1554. That means accuracy and risk reward were just amazing in this stuff. Footprint shows to you where people buy and sell a lot of coins. If you combine it correctly with technical analysis, correctly, but it must be correctly, you have a big possibility to have really powerful strategy. But it is not like a holy grail that just by seeing this stuff you can you will start making trillions. Because even BNB yesterday in our free channel, I sent BNB signal that insane volume entered BNB. And guess what happened after that? I tried to long BNB several times, and they took my stop loss several hours before this massive pump happened. That's why still it must be taken together with technical analysis, because sometimes volume shows to you powerful places where you can trade, but still you need some confirmation, stop loss, hence all of that stuff. I will cover about that stuff, about potential reversal. Cool. I see David. David, tell me please, did you get an answer? David, highly recommend you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because you can get entirely for free a lesson about footprint. Let me show to you the beautiful lesson. Just highly recommend you to watch this one. What's footprint? When you finish the stream, highly recommend you to watch that lesson. You understand way better. It is 4 minutes, like affordable. It's easy to invest the time into your education. Okay, guys, I see that every one of you hear me well, see me well. Let's start our stream. Firstly, before we will find some powerful situations that we can trade at this moment, firstly, we need to analyze what's going on and analyze the charts and build some cool trading plans. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Firstly, what's going on BTC? Globally, it is still in powerful bear market. Globally, nothing had changed. Main reason why being BTC and all other coins in powerful bear market, because of Fed interest rates. Fed interest rates. Fed increase the interest rates several times. Why is it data? Maybe there could be some beautiful data. Here. Why this data is so important for us? Because exactly when they increase interest rate, market reverse, and during that time, firstly, by the way, they announced that they would increase interest rate in November. And November, it was a time, have a look, October and November, it was a time when Bitcoin peaked, and after that, whole market went down. And it is not only about BTC, it is for all financial markets, also S&P 500, since November only dropping. December, November, it was also peak. Main reason for that, because interest rate, it shows value of money in economy. And when interest rate increase, still it's harder to take easy money for buying some risky assets, because crypto, it is super risky asset. That's why interest rate is important, because you can see that when mostly crypto market pumps. Have a look. Crypto market started its pump in 2020 when exactly it was a period of zero interest rates. Zero, friends. It was period of lowest interest rates. And during that time, Bitcoin and whole stock market pumped dramatically. And at this moment, they increase it. And have a look, even this time, during recession, before recession happened, they also dropped it a lot. And at this moment, I think they will try to cool down inflation, and only after that they would start dropping interest rate. That's why until they finish increasing, without it, it will be difficult to start new bull run. Okay. Yuri, please, can you show Discord for the signals? My friend, it is our Discord. It is our club, our Advanced Beaker Trading Club. You can join this Advanced Beaker Trading Club, or let me show to you where is this invitation. That would be, in most cases, it will be close to you, but this scalping trades that we share sometimes, like 25% of our trades we share for free, and you can get access to it. That's why let me invite people. Let's do this invite. Never no limit. Okay. Just join Discord and that's it. That's why globally about BTC, I think bull run, really powerful bull run, could start after when Fed stop hiking interest rate. But at this moment, locally, still there could be some biggest rise like this one, 40%, like deep pullback, something like that. Let's do some closer technical analysis at this moment. At this moment, what happened? Yesterday, we saw biggest volume on BTC in Bitcoin history on a daily candle. Have a look. On a daily candle, guys, it was the biggest volume. Do you understand what that means? Type plus if yes, if you understand, type minus if you don't understand. Taz, honestly, he doesn't know for sure, because if he would know that BTC drops to 14K, he would take a big position with massive leverage and could show it to you. When person knows something for sure, there is no reason to tell it to so many people. You just trade it, that's it. But in other cases, you don't use it. Okay. About BTC, what's going on at this moment? BTC at this moment dropped heavily, and let's do closer technical analysis and find some powerful place to trade. BTC already dropped heavily, and at this moment, biggest value area established exactly at high. That means biggest volume traded exactly at high. What I think, my friends, if BTC showed to us some significant volume below local level, let me show it to you. Let me show to you all of this stuff. I think if BTC at this moment shows below this level some significant size, that could be a beautiful entry, because at this moment it's a place where many people hide their stop losses. It would be really interesting for us to enter that area. Okay. How to join Discord? This one, I sent a link into I sent a link for Discord in the comments. Just use that link and join. Maybe I still have. Okay. I have an idea for what done. Tell me, please, what kind of idea? Okay. Okay, guys, let's do analysis. At this moment, BTC, all this massive drop down, and I think that with bigger chance, BTC is going to do some reload to take stop losses of all people that bought BTC in the middle of this range. Below this area, it would be really awesome to take long. At this moment, what we do, we set alert. In a case if price drops below, we will be notified. That's the best. Let's cover other coins, what potentially could be with other coins. If also did massive reload, have a look on this significant volume, really huge volume. When the last time we saw such volume only here during this massive drop, and that was close to a bottom. Plus, if did this massive reload, have a look. That means at this moment there could be some pullback. Let's see for additional confirmation. Let's see, guys, for additional confirmation. BNB also did this beautiful reload. Major volume area. At this moment, what I do, analyze coins and look for interesting patterns that we can trade. At this moment, FTX token really interesting because it's just in a range and nothing globally changed here, and really massive volume trades exactly here. Let's try to find out something interesting at this moment. Okay. Okay, guys, let me open this one for the stream. Our beautiful dome and footprint. I do all preparation for you. Okay, let's see what's going on. As I told you, below these levels, that could be a good area to take long. At this moment, BTC below VWAP, below this beautiful VWAP, it is like this dots. Maybe some of you don't see it on the screen. Okay. I'm a Korean. I'm a Korean. I have heard that you're good at analysis. I would like to ask you at what price point you can find support and downtrend of Ethereum. We will do this analysis. Let me, my dear Korean, how can I call you? Because I cannot read your symbols, your letters. Because I'm a Slav, I didn't read in Korean. For me, it's important. Maybe you have in Latin words your name. I can use it. I will analyze Ethereum for you. Can I just the stream? Okay. Long time ranging and now breaking the downside. What would be a good stop loss? Yes, save the life, please, to put unlisted link. Okay, let's do all of this. Because at this moment, what I do, we need to find good place and good pattern to take a trade. Let's do alerts. Let's set alerts on all coins, and after that, we'll do analysis. At this moment, after such massive drop, quite often it's good to trade when price do real low and significant size appears at bottom. It would be really good and interesting to take a trade. Same like it was yesterday on ETH. We took long exactly here. Price did this beautiful pump, and we closed the trade nearly here. That's it. And at this moment on ETH, if price reached this area, it would be also interesting to take a trade. About support on a bigger scale support. Price at this moment already reached the biggest support on ETH. At this moment, this area, it is the biggest support on ETH, this massive value volume area. That means only if break it through, it could continue dropping, because next important volume area that could support ETH only at, let me find it, only at 700 small, really powerful at 600 starts. That's just example for you about ETH. That means it's really important for ETH to keep this size, keep above it. My name is Paz. Thank you. Paz. Cool. Happy to help you. Guys, let's do some bigger analysis. Type into a chat what coins you would like to analyze, because at this moment I have a problem with my platform because it doesn't load. As you can see, it market depth. Market reply is not connected. My platform somehow is not connected. I don't know, maybe they need to update my computer, and because of that I don't see significant sizes, because I have a special bot that help me to identify where significant volume appears, because I use a special tool, let me show to you, that sent to me alerts into a bot where significant volume trades, and based on that we do a trades. Let's try to find out with another screener some opportunities that we can trade at this moment. Okay, BTC, what I can see with Bitcoin. Bitcoin at this moment, as I told you, biggest area below this key level, it will be the best area for entry, same as ETH. About BNB, about BNB. Okay, let's do all of this stuff. Also, friends, we can use this stuff that shows that as a heat map to find good opportunities, because we need significant volumes that we can use for a trade. At this moment, biggest bigger limit order, it is as I told you at 17,000 on BTC. Is this beautiful limit order. If price would reach it and make fake breakdowns, that would be our opportunity for entry. Let's find out with other coins. Maybe that also could be something interesting and beautiful. Okay. About Ethereum, it is only very lower. If nothing special. Ripple, have a look. Few seconds ago, 2.7 million coins as a support. 2.8 million coins as a support. Let's check all of this, because someone could do some local movement on Ripple. It's so sad that my major platform doesn't work well at this moment. Daniel, dude, please analyze Shiba Inu. Daniel, let me finish with my major instruments that at this moment we would like to trade for scalping. And after that, I'll analyze the Shiba Inu for you. because at this moment I would like to find some powerful XRP USDT. Have a look, friends, what's going on. Do you see that at this moment, this 2 million coins were traded at this size, and price didn't break it? Let's XRP USDT. Okay. Let's check. Maybe there is far bigger volume. At this moment, we have support, friends, on XRP. This 1,270,000. Bigger problems that difference between this volume and 5-minute cluster is insignificant. That means the size could be easily broken. What will be the best entry for us? If price breaks the size down and after that start moving, that would be a fake breakdown. It's really awesome. That means at this moment, let's pay attention to XRP. Okay, XRP is on a list at this moment. What else? Isash, are you here? Maybe you saw some significant volumes that we can take at this moment. Because I was sick during the last 2 days, and honestly, my mind at this moment not the greatest, not the sharpest. That's why sometimes I will not speak really fast. Solana. That's example for you, my friends, why we need significant sizes. Have a look how Solana played out the stuff really well, very well. And price beautifully breaks down the size. After that, price did a massive pullback. Have a look, bounced from a size broken. They did a pullback and beautiful drop. That means also let's add Solana to our list to trade today. Let's add Solana, because Solana would be really hot in play. Okay, guys. Do you know what we do at this moment? Type into the chat plus if you understand what we are doing, and type into the chat minus if you do not understand what we do and why we do all of this stuff. On that big limit order or on spot, have a look. Really huge volumes, especially this one at real low, 113,000 coins as a buy limit. It's really awesome. And at 697,000 on the spot market after such massive drop and crash. That's why it's also important to pay attention to what will be with these sizes. Larus Vitolanis, my friend, for your reply, what we do at this moment, we analyze coins to find good opportunities that we can trade at this moment, right now, in this moment. Not within like several days, but right now. It is only scalping opportunities. And what we do, we analyze a heat map. It is a special tool that shows to us where whales set significant limit orders. And based on that, we decide what we will trade today. That's it. Because we do not trade only because we want to trade or something like that. We need some significant patterns. And there a bottom scale, because I don't know why Atasa is not loading today on my computer. Dogecoin, friends, have a look at what's going on Dogecoin. Also significant volumes. Let's add also Dogecoin to our list of coins that we would analyze and trade today. What else interesting? LTC. I'll show to you. Yeah, we'll check BNB as soon as possible. Near. Okay, have a look what's going on with XRP. They failed to break the significant size. At this moment, we can try to take some scalp long, but it would be really scalp because what's the problem? It below significant VWAP. Let's open daily time frame. Maybe it would be way better here. Okay, at this moment, pay attention, friends, to the significant limit order on XRP. Let's open 15 minutes time frame. Sadly, we didn't took that significant size way lower, 900K. But still, for me, while price below VWAP, for me, way better would be if price breaks that significant volume, and after that, that volume become important resistant. That would be our plan at this moment, because trend still down, and still there could be some stop loss hunts. That's why let's do this one. We should pay attention to XRP. Let's add, we have Sol, rename as all. And let's add the Dogecoin also, because it's interesting. Doge. Guys, what do you think? Will Ripple breaks the significant order? 600K traded. Okay, let's try to trade breakdown. During this stream, what will be our stop loss? 0.5%. What would be a potential reward? Okay. At this moment on Ripple, I take short because the significant size were broken just. If this breakdown real true, not fake, that could be, the size could become important resistance. I prefer Atas, but today Atas doesn't reply to me, and I don't know. I prefer Atas. I work with Atas 90% of my time, but I have other platforms. If there would be some problem with, like at this moment with Atas, I try to open it and connect all charts, and it doesn't show to me what I need. That's why I will use another platform. Okay, guys, let's see what will happen with this significant volume. Do you see that at this moment on Ripple, on a spot market, someone broke the significant order, and they broke it really beautifully. And what for me important, that price would start dropping, and to become a resistance, the price cannot close above the significant volume. Price must be below only the significant volume. Only in that case, this volume, volume that we saw at 3780 become really awesome resistance. And if that resistance played out, price could drop. That's it. Sadly, that price didn't do some impulse down, and after that retested. Honestly, such stuff even way better for a trade than what we did at this moment. BNB check here, my friend will check BNB. Friends, at this moment, Why I have to give telephone number for registration? What do you mean where to register? Tell me, my friend, what do you mean where to register? Where do you would like to register? You said you don't speak English, but do you understand what I'm telling you? How do you attend our stream if you do not speak English? Okay, it is the first one. Let's check. Oh, finally, finally, hallelujah. They finally came back. What's going on with my computer? I don't know, guys. Let me wait for a few seconds because they uploading everything. Let's see what's going on with Ripple. Not the best stuff that we expected. Have a look what they just did. Instead of a really beautiful drop, everything looks like it was a fake breakdown. Let's see for a few seconds. I would not get out from this XRP trade because still price below VWAP. Still they did bigger pullback, but that's really not the best for short entry. No, it's better to close. Guys, I closed Ripple because there is no reason to sit in Ripple. Let me show it to you. Major reason why I closed the Ripple. I use small stop losses during this stream. We will have risk per trade 10 USD because what they did instead of a really beautiful drop from that size and that size become resistant, they did only this fake breakdown. That's it. And at this moment, there could be a possibility that price could break this size. Let's try to open a trade into opposite direction. What will be stop loss? How do you get a DOM? Yeah, guys, I reversed on Ripple. Main reason because what they did a fake breakdown of the significant volume on Ripple that it was here. And there's some chance that they would do some local rise, at least to take stop losses of these people. Let's see. How do you get DOM? Really simple. Below this video, you open the stream and you open link to the stream. Below the stream, there would be this link, best DOM platform best DOM platform. And you do this, fill the form, write your name, email, phone number, and after that, you'll be able to download this stuff. Also, here's a video lesson about what's DOM, how it works. And after that, you can go to our YouTube channel and you'll find many lessons about what's DOM and footprint. Okay, let's see what's going on with Ripple. At this moment, Ripple slowly pumping. Where would be a take profit on Ripple? Honestly, we'll take at this moment. I set take profit at 0.3877. risk reward 1 to 4, that's it. That would be enough for me. At this moment, we can take our risk back on Ripple, but still it's not enough to cover future mistakes. That's why let's try to take 2%. It is a local scalp because firstly, this volume on Ripple, it is not really huge volumes that I saw in my trading career. Secondly, that volume isn't in a proper place. Volume must be in a proper place. Tell me how many of you tried to trade with DOM footprint ever before? Mm-hmm. 0.71 on Ripple. Let's do it, man. Just give to us 2% of profit to cover small risk reward. Okay, at this moment, what I do on ATAS, main reason why I love ATAS, because at this moment on ATAS, we will have some important stuff that will help us trade way better. On ATAS, we are going to set a special tool that calls cluster search that will tell to us where people buy and sell really significant volumes. And based on that, we also will we will do some trades. Let me do all of this stuff. What's going on? Why it takes so much capacity of my computer? Google Chrome. Oh my God, guys, have a look what's going on. Maybe I will reload. Okay, let's go on. Let's see what will be the next. FTT spot signal. Let's do FTT analyze all together. Let's see, because at this moment we have XRP trade. Let me update a platform, because at this moment it's freezing. I would be happy to see what's going on XRP, because we have open trade at this moment, and I would like to see how it's going on. At this moment, we have some local trend line on this XRP. That's why a local trend line plus significant size. Sadly, that all of the stuff going on below VWAP, and I hope at this moment VWAP would be broken, because it would be really sad to get 2 stop losses. Have a look at this moment. Additional 1,082,000 coins set here. I hope it is not spoofing. Let's see, guys. If it is not spoofing and this size real, that would be really cool support for us. Tell me when you take the trades. We took a trade on XRP long. Here you can see this part on the chart screen. Blue, it's long. At this moment, we took a long trade after fake breakdown of significant size on a spot here. This one, it was significant size, price did small fake breakdown, and after that, this rise. We could close one-to-one risk reward. At this moment, they're exactly retesting this big volume. I hope this volume become really support, because if that volume would not become a support, that means all our idea will be wrong, because sometimes when volume is not becoming a support, price just move around a volume. That's really worstest period, because during that period it's difficult to make money, because it is 0.5% up, 1% down, and that's it. Let's see, will it be the same this time? Yeah, it looks like. Let's see. They just exactly retested this significant volume. Let's see. No, not good. Not good. Not good. Do you know, guys, why it's not good? Because if volume really powerful, volume should become important support. If price breaks it up and down, that's really bad, because it means this player have no interest to support this stuff. Sad. It's really sad. We had the opportunity to get out and took back our risk here at retested trend line, but we didn't do it. And let's see. Okay, let's do. How many of you enter a trade on XRP, right? Plus, if you took a trade. It was really close to our stop loss. One tick, guys. Only one tick. It was close to our stop loss. And if price go up, we'll be really lucky, guys. You didn't? Me. Good. Guys, just remember that it is scalping trades. When you do the scalping trades, there must be really small stop losses, because we take it and try to take some small local momentum. This idea, if some of you would ask me, Yuri, rank this idea from 1 to 10, I would give to this idea maybe 4 or 3. That's the reason why I take it only with risk $10, because globally BTC looks down below VWAP, and big chance that BTC is going to drop more. But this stuff made fake breakdown of this volume, and I thought there could be some local rise to take stop losses on long buyers. But if at this moment there would be breakdown of all of this stuff, let's see. How to make 3 millions? Let me show it to you. For example, guys, stop loss taken on Ripple. Holy shit. Holy shit, stop loss taken on Ripple. Main reason, because why a sell taken? Because this volume is not became vital for Ripple, and at this moment price moves around this volume. That's really sad. That's why they just took this SL. There must be bigger size because it was only 2.5 million coins traded. At this price, it is nearly $1 million. We need bigger sizes, need bigger volumes. So, okay, let's come back to BTC. When it gave to us opportunity to take at least one to take back our stop loss, it would we should take it. Okay, about how in ATAS you can make your numbers looks way better. Here in cluster settings, there are cluster value divider, because if you do like average numbers, it's really difficult to read and it's not cool and beautiful. What you can do, you can cluster value divided. For example, this shows to me the thousands. For example, 1.85, it means 1,850. And that's really cool stuff. On Dogecoin, you can use, you can divide by million and you'll see millions. That's also cool stuff. Okay, what about our indicators? Now, at this moment, also we have a special indicator that calls cluster search that shows to us when significant volume appears. And let me cover maybe the significant volumes on some coins appears. That would be really funny if Ripple at this moment would do a pump. This shit took our stop loss. This shit took our stop loss, and at this moment pumping. I entered quick short scalp on ETH. What was the reason, Pedro? Vades, for you, did you get how to make your value divider in ATAS? I hope you understood it. Love Solar, do this website shows iceberg orders? It shows to you significant orders, and about iceberg, you also can add some proper indicators that shows to you. Did you download it? Yeah, TAS runs with some lagging, and I speak with their team to improve that stuff, because that really not the best. About app name, below this video, once more, below this video, just open the stream, scroll down, and you'll find a link where you can download that app. That's it. For example, at this moment, you can download this app by using this link, best platform, this one. Also, join our free Telegram channel with where we share alerts, ideas that can help you make money during scalping. Okay. Ripple idea didn't play out. Let's find out, maybe there would be some other ideas that potentially could be really interesting for us. S&P 500 dropping. In normal cases, crypto would also drop, but today is not normal cases, because crypto already dropped heavily a lot. Let's find out what we can find at this moment. Nothing beautiful. At this moment, let's wait. Maybe there would be some better situations. Because really good place for taking short today, it was at this range, retest to this range at VWAP, and at this moment price far from VWAP. And to take short, honestly, to take short, we need some significant volume. Okay. Guys, about XRP, no one knows about that final decision and court. That's why better forget about it. About short scalp on ETH, my friend Pedro, tell me why you took the trade on ETH. this Ripple, it's really piece of, have a look what they did. They still above this size. There could be still opportunity to take a trade on Ripple, because have a look what they do. If this significant volume, they will break it down. This volume could become beautiful resistance. Let's see. Let's wait for a few seconds, because at this moment still for me BTC looks bearish, and I think if BTC would do additional drop, whole entire market would fall. That's why. Yeah, that's what I expect on Ripple. Let's wait, friends, because at this moment, BNB, have a look what's going on with BTC. BTC, at this moment, beautifully dropping. And I think BTC can do reload to take stop losses of all people that build long position in the middle of this range. But to take a trade, price too far from VWAP at this moment to take a trade. And there is no significant volume that we can use at this moment to take a trade. That's why let's wait for a better option. Let's check, maybe there are some significant volumes. Let me do to reduce all of this stuff. Delete. BTC, BNB. Okay, good. Friends, BTC, what do you think? Will they take stop losses of all of these people? Let's do, let's vote. Type 1, if they will go to take stop losses of all guys that took long and set stop losses below here. Type 1, if you do believe that they will go to take their stop losses. And type 2, if you believe that there would be opposite move and they would start rising. Because why this stuff is important, because during the stream we will look on what most people think, and we will try to do some votes and see how price follow biggest opinions. Done to small rise, overall bullish. Okay. You think before drop they would go to take stop losses, for example, like this one, and only after that? Nothing beautiful, guys, at this moment, because what I do now before while I wait for some volume appears, let me show to you a cool stuff that you can get from Atas. What's really coolest thing of that stuff? It can help you find significant volumes, and that stuff costs you no money. What's the beauty of this stuff? Let me. I don't know why, but my computer does not work really well. Oh, good. Example like yesterday trades that we took on ETH, this significant size. What's the beauty of this? How did I took that the trade on ETH? Main reason because in ATAS I get notification. In ATAS bot I get a notification when that significant volume appeared. When you download this platform, you can add a special indicator that calls cluster search. And when significant volume appears, for example, on BTC futures, when 1000 BTC would trade, I would get notification. Okay, guys, BTC looks is going to drop. Maybe let's try to, what will be stop loss? Okay. BTC accelerate. Let's try to take some small scalp, short scalp on BTC. What about this? Finally, Ripple did Ripple did a clear reaction on that significant size. Price bounced from VWAP, and at this moment, what I expect that Ripple could do even bigger drop. To take a short from now, it's a little bit risky, but it's still possible. Best short would be a retest to this significant volume. But I think Ripple at this moment will go down, and maybe it could go even to take reload here. To take reload on this volume. What would be the best entry if at this moment they do pull back, and we would take short. We would take short, and with a goal here. With a goal 5%. Okay, I just guys, I took short on ETH, on XRP. Let's see if all this size finally played out or not. A little bit hurried up. At this moment, it looks they can retest this significant volume. Okay, good. I just added second part, price 0.5% from this big volume on spot. Let's see. If this time again they would take stop loss, I would wait only when significant size appears in a cluster. Can you say price, the prices on when to take profit and where to put stop loss? Hard to see the text on a mobile phone. My friend, use it as educational only, because at this moment we didn't took. I will tell you this only in a case when I will see really powerful pattern that I would rank at least 7 of 10. only when I will see a pattern that I would could rank 7 of 10, only in that case I will give you such stuff, because at this moment what we trade at this moment, it's like maybe 4 of 10, not more. Why? Because when during the streams we do not take any trades, people don't like and don't come back. That's why I do trades, and I do with really small volume. That's why when I will see really beautiful pattern, I will tell you to take the trade. About Ripple, at this moment, price really close to retest the significant volume. Really close, and exactly at retest to the significant volume, it would be interesting to take short, because price exactly retested VWAP, broke the size down, and there could be some additional drop. That's why this idea on XRP to take short, not bad. Entry would be at 37.70 or 60, stop loss 37.90, and take profit 35.84. Oh, finally something interesting. Dogecoin cluster search. On Dogecoin, some significant volume appears. Let's check that significant volume on a Dogecoin. Are you using Binance or Bybit? I use both of them. Depends on a country. For volume search, you definitely will need to use Binance, but for trading, you can use both of them because they both of them really good. Because many people, many followers, and many members of our community, they are from countries where Binance forbidden. And what would you do if Binance forbidden in your country? You would use what you can. That's why. Okay, significant size traded exactly here. Market maker trapped me already 2 times. They trapped me already 2 times. Have a look. Small fake down. I didn't close here at retest to VWAP. And at this moment, I took short at nearly bottom. And if they take again a stop loss, we will trade only when really huge volume appears, because that's not good stuff. About Dogecoin, have a look. That's an example for you of how cluster search works. Like at this moment, someone traded 15 million coins on this coin. 15 million coins. 13 million coins, 39 at this level. Oh my God, it's so lagging. They did update and that. That stuff works on all accounts because you don't need to pay for your account. It works on all accounts, that cluster search. Let's see what will happen with XRP at this moment, because have a look. They again retest this significant volume. And if this volume would not reject, that means all my idea wrong. And at this moment, it is maybe the best time to enter, because your stop loss would be really smallest. If they take stop loss, sad. They size broken. If they come out, that would be really sad for me. Guys, at this moment on XRP, have a look. XRP at this moment exactly retested this biggest volume area, and pay attention, because if this significant volume really become a resistance, that would be the best place to take a trade, because your stop loss at this moment would be 0.2, 0.3. If they take my stop loss, I close XRP for today and won't open it, because I don't like what's going on. Not good. Not good, because again, this volume didn't become important resistant. Holy shit. Sadly, it's really sad. What we are going to do, we're going to take stop loss and get out from this trade. Price few ticks from our SL. Yeah. Okay, it took my third SL. That means what we do, I delete XRP for today. I don't want to trade this coin today anymore. Let's find maybe any other ideas that we potentially could take at this moment. This moment maybe the most interesting, it is a Dogecoin, because this significant volume that entered on a Dogecoin that was on, oh my god, it was 3% below. Why you are so lagging? Remember, guys, many of you voted for one when we told about that BTC is going to drop and make a reload, and BTC did the exactly opposite. And have a look, BTC this moment exactly pumping. That's example how the market can go against the crowd. Let's open Dogecoin. What Dogecoin did a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago, here 2% below, 3% below. Significant volume entered, and a Dogecoin compared to many other coins above VWAP. Let's do analysis on Dogecoin. Maybe there could be some potential movement on a Dogecoin. Let's do 1000. Dogecoin, oh my god, Dogecoin exactly in a proper place, significant volume enters. Sadly, I didn't take a trade when it was needed, and at this moment, I think Dogecoin could pump really beautifully. Let's see if there would be any another chance to take a good trade. What happened on a Dogecoin a few minutes ago? Have a look, guys. A few minutes ago on a Dogecoin, The price did significant volume. Sadly, I didn't pay to this stuff really important attention, because have a look what happened. On a Dogecoin, significant volume traded exactly at this low, and have a look at this one, exactly volume profile area. Price bounced from this volume profile area. Compared to whole entire market that at this moment like below VWAP, Dogecoin only one coin at this moment that above VWAP. That means it is stronger than a market, and there potentially could be even some pump on this coin. And sadly, we paid too much attention to repo, because repo didn't respect significant size. It just traded around. And let's see what will be with Dogecoin. Will it give to us something what we need? Because about Dogecoin, really good place for entry was when this significant volume traded. Let me show it to you. How to add DOM on a task? You add special indicators that calls cluster search. Let me tell you something. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait what will be with Dogecoin. Will they break this significant volume? Okay, let's see what potentially could happen with all of this stuff. Okay, BTC at this moment, really strongest resistance would be here on BTC, and this one. It would be strongest resistance on BTC at this moment. Price potentially could reach all of this stuff. Let's add some alerts and add Dogecoin. How to count the volume of size on a cluster? Count by token or contract or lot. JDX, explain please what you mean how to count contract on lot. Explain please your question. Clarify. Please analyze magic. Let's dividers how to add DOM on ATAS. On an ATAS, you do special stuff that calls cluster DOM. It is a special indicator. Here, compared to other platforms, you go to indicators, you open indicators folder, and in that indicators folder, you have this one, scalping DOM. And you have that indicator, and you can use it really simply. Okay. Let's see, guys, what is going to happen with BTC at this moment. With Dogecoin, it could be maybe the stuff as buy, sell volume. Zozarek Mike, what do you mean by sell volume? Explain, please. At this moment on BTC, interesting stuff going on. Let's see what is going to happen. BTC, have a look. At this moment, exactly retested this significant volume area. And let's see, will this volume area become important resistance? Because it's important to see will price break the stuff or not. Because if price breaks the stuff, after that BTC easily can go and reach this area. But if price at this moment from this area come back at least to this low, that would be a signal for breaking down and take stop losses of this all long buys. Sadly, at this moment, no, I didn't see any significant size that entered at that level to consider it as a good trade, a good opportunity. Mm-hmm. In the Dogecoin cluster, 1K, it means 1K of Dogecoin. Yes, example like this one, this cluster, 768 millions M. It means it is 7.68 millions of coins. And if here would be a K, that would be thousands. K, it means thousands, M millions, B billions. Okay, let's see about our beautiful Dogecoin. About BTC, friends, as I told you at this moment, what's really important on BTC, price came to major resistance. It is local volume area plus VWAP. And have a look like this one, price close to VWAP and major volume area. Only breakup of all of this could start, could make this finally support and reach BTC at least to higher level. It is our next resistance on BTC. If price breaks all of them, all this resistance could become important supports. If price would not reach it, it would be okay. Have a look, Dogecoin, only one coin that green today. It's really stronger than whole entire market. AVAX hit all time, hit this huge low. Ooh. Looks like Dogecoin could do some play at this moment with together with BTC. Let's check. Let's check it. In the ATAS DOM is not working. I see only white. My friend, I don't know. For me, it's difficult to understand what you mean by white. Can you describe more your question? Guys, at this moment, what's going on? There could be potentially some breakup on Dogecoin. I took long, but it is super risky long because stop loss too big, 5%. Because what we did, we missed really right opportunity. This Dogecoin, it was really right opportunity, but sadly I missed to take it in a proper place, because at this moment it would be a time to close part instead of taking, because exactly at proper level, significant volume appeared on the spot market. It was exactly at real low. Have a look here. This 19 million coins traded, beautiful. Someone entered really heavily that market. It is futures on a spot. On a spot, have a look. This one beautiful 13 millions. Have a look. This 13 millions exactly at 87. Exactly at 87. It is this one. It is exactly here. On this real low, someone bought. Someone bought that amount of Doge, 13 millions on spot, and have a look how price beautifully did this move. But Instead, I paid attention to XRP, and because of that, we missed this beautiful opportunity. And if we would open it, we already would have this beautiful pump. Why Sol shows in trading you different price and on Binance? Larus Vitolins. My friend, by the way, where are you from? Are you from Italy? It's like about BNB. Sol. About Sol, at this moment, there are two prices on Sol. There are spot prices and futures prices. Why that? Because why that? Because my friend, let me tell you something. Because there are two coins, the spot market and the futures market. On the futures, have a look, futures at this moment at 1628, spot at 1850. Depends what you look at. If you look at on Binance, if you look spot, you would see this number. If you look futures, you would see this one. Latvia. I thought you from Italy, honestly. That's the reason. I can see any limit orders on DOM. I'm in a task. You can show me how to link that stuff. Java, guys, you can download DOM app in description here, best DOM and footprint app. Just use this link and that's it. Do the stuff and download it. I can see any limit orders. Okay, let's see what will be with BTC at this moment and Doge, because everything looks that some of them would do some beautiful movement. What will be the next important resistance on Doge if price really react? Have a look. Where really next significant volume, it's only here. Next, it is here. Next important resistance. But at this moment, really important to pay attention what's going on BTC, because BTC on a bigger scale still below VWAP. Still there wasn't a breakup. Only breakup of VWAP could become for us really clear signals that BTC become bullish. That's why at this moment on BTC, let's be careful, because if BTC somehow would do any additional drop into this area, there would be really huge chance of at least reload on BTC. And if that happens, sadly, Dogecoin with a big chance would move with it. Let's check maybe there any other coins where we can find significant size and volumes that we can trade with at this moment. Yuri, request you please tell me where you can download. Jova, did you get answer to your question, please, my friend? Guys, at this moment, I ask you to push like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we provide you a lot of value regarding DOM footprint trading. Today, honestly, yesterday I only recovered from COVID. That's why I'm not. My mind is not the best shape. But still, I think that we need to resume live trading every week. And at this moment, this is my DOM picture. Maybe send a link somewhere. for us, it's important when you subscribe to our channel, because we create a lot of value, especially for you, my friends, and it support our project, and we have more ability to create for you video lessons, articles that helps you understand DOM footprint trading, order flow trading. That's why, like, small like and subscribe, like for you it costs nothing, but for us it really matters. Let me check. Let's see what is going to happen with Dogecoin, because if they really break all of this, that would be really beautiful. Davidus, I don't see your DOM picture. Tell me, please, where you can see it. I'm checking at this moment other coins where could be potentially a significant volume. Let's see. Because at this moment, if Dogecoin really will be successful, they could break this level, and there could be even some impulse. Let's see. Let's see. Sadly, we didn't take it exactly at significant volume area, but still it's good. Let's see what will be the next. Guys, as I promised to you, I will tell you where to trade a trade only when I will see really significant ideas, like Dogecoin at 87, like it was here, when significant size traded here. That was really cool place to take the trade, because at this moment, honestly, it is not the best place. It's just for local scalp for breakup. Let's do a voting this time. Will price break up? Type 1 if you believe that would be break up at least for 2%. What is the indicator of on trading of VWAP and volume profile? You mean VWAP? Yep. VW, you mean VWAP? Yep. Ali, 0. What do you mean Ali by 0? Tell me, please. About TradingView, on TradingView, I use standard VWAP. I compare it with many other platforms, and I use this one, volume weighted average price. About settings, it's really simple settings. Let me show to you this simple settings. But before I will show to you, let's come back to our Dogecoin, because at this moment there could be some breakup. Let's do it. Let's go. Too small. They only did the small re-high, and that's it. It's not enough. BTC to 23. One day I do believe that BTC would be at 23. No breakup. Bro, how you show quick ruler in Tiger? You mean this one, quick ruler? Yep. Let me reply to this one. Rihanna Tanis. About VWAP, we use standard VWAP, this one. And the settings, style, I don't like this upper and lower bands, all of this stuff. That's it. About volume profile, I like to use this one. Volume profile, it is fixed volume profile, this one. Fixed range volume profile, because I can choose range by myself. Because it is not good to sometimes to add different ranges on a volume profile. That's why this one's the most important. At this moment, Dogecoin only one coin that above its volume profile, only one. APT. Have a look how FTX token at this moment finally above its volume profile. And what really interesting on FTX that biggest volume at this moment trades exactly at bottom. And for me, it's really interesting how after that price would played out. It is exactly a value area at this moment that you can see. And price still below VWAP at this moment, but if price breaks, really breaks all of this stuff, that could become a really interesting support. But only if price breaks VWAP and confirm that stuff, because at this moment they still didn't confirm. Okay, BTC. About fixed volume range, what you go here and you go to fixed volume range profile, and that's it. Percent of ATR, what is that? It is our manual indicator. It shows to us volatility of a coin in a day, because when some coin moved a lot, it shows to us that it moved too much. It shows to us like a fuel, how big tank at this moment in some coin. Like BTC at this moment dropped 148% of its average movement per day. Like price moves, like example, price moves 1,000 per day, up or down. And that's equal to 100% of ATR, average true range. That means if price moves more than 100%, quite often there would be pullbacks. It depends what strategy you use. Because if you, for example, would like to trade breakout strategy, and you can see that percent of ATR really high, like 150%, quite often it will show that there would be fake breakup. Also, if you trade fake breakdown strategy, when ATR is bigger as possible, that's also good for it. About ATR, we give it to our students, members of our communities, and all people. Okay, let's come back to Dogecoin, because it looks that there could be finally maybe some move on a Dogecoin. Let's see. I wish to make video about Fibonacci. You mean by yourself? You would like to make a video about Fibonacci, or you would like me to make a video about Fibonacci? Tell me, please, because a little bit not clear. Okay, let's see what's going on, because at this moment, once more, BTC really close to VWAP, and that's really strange. First time I can see that significant volume not at bottom and really high, like it was here. And let me see how it played out. Because without breakup of VWAP, I would not believe that all of this stuff become finally bullish. I would be really happy of a double trap if BTC drops like into this area, retest the zone, and after that drop to make new lower low. That would be the best. But will it that happen? Only time will show. Looks like it was a mistake not to get out from Doge at re-high, to grab some small profit and reload during local drop. To make a video, I'll do a video about that stuff. We already recorded video about top 5 indicators, VWAP, volume profile, DOM footprint, about all of them. We recorded video, and soon they would be published on YouTube channel that you will watch for free. That's why just remember to subscribe, set notification to be updated. Let's see about this stuff. Dogecoin at this moment the most interesting. As BTC, because BTC, friends, at this moment still around this local volume area. BTC is still around this local volume area, and only if BTC break through it, that would be good for longs, because as I told you, next important resistance, let's do like this one, bigger picture. We have this one, significant volume. If price breaks it, with bigger chance BTC is going to reach this area. And after that depends what will be here. If significant volume appears, BTC could go down and make a real low. If not, and for example, this volume will be broken through, all of the stuff could become important support. Like it happened with a Dogecoin. Have a look. With a Dogecoin, this example that I showed to you. Dogecoin, this significant volume, what they did this beautiful drop, volume were broken, and price established a support above it. And at this moment, there could be some even local rise up to next significant volume. Guys, let's do coin analysis for you. And let's do some coin analysis for you. Type into a chat at this moment what coin should I analyze for you. And let's do it together. Type right now into a chat. And let's do a deal. If you enjoy my analysis, you subscribe and share some video from our channel with your friends. Some of you, some of you wrote about H bar. This one, Zarek Malik. H bar, are you still here? Should we analyze this H bar? Tell me, please. Type plus if you would like me to do that stuff. Let's see. You mean when let's do coin analysis as I promised. SK, I will reply to you about this one before we do coin analysis as I promised to people. H bar. H bar USDT. BTC moves up close to VWAP. Let's see what is going to happen. About H bar. Firstly, let's open globally on this chart. Globally, this chart looks not the best, honestly. Coin really close to retest this major volume area. By the way, coin already retested this major value area. Have a look. Do you see it? At this moment, coin close to its really important support. This established support exactly here. Globally, about H bar, what I do not like on the H bar, have a look how many times price did this pump after the dump. Pump and dump with massive volume exactly at high. It looks like someone were selling before all of this massive drop. That means at this moment to enter any trade, I would enter a trade only in a case if at real low some significant volume enters like this one. Like at this moment, price at VWAP, below VWAP, to buy it, I would buy this coin only below this local low, especially if significant volume would enter. I would take long. About short at VWAP, at this moment, it's like up for you because have a look, biggest volume area exactly here. What's going on? BTC buy more than 100 lots. Someone tried to buy BTC, so many lots, but there is no positive reaction on all of this stuff. Oh my god. About this coin, at this moment, price below this biggest volume, like this volume at this moment works as a resistance, and here could be some potentially a local short to make a reload. Like at this moment for BTC, this volume, exactly where BTC right now, this volume works as a resistance because price still didn't go through it. Only if price go through it, only in that case, this volume could become support. That's why price nearly around it. That's why about H bar. Let's come back to H bar. Globally, if we open weekly time frame, price finally came to area where it would be really interesting to buy for long term. It is like at 3 cents, 2 cents. It is a good time to buy for a long term, especially if you some fundamental investor. If you understand fundamental value of this project. Because honestly, I'm not the best in fundamental analysis. Because in crypto, fundamental analysis is difficult. Do you know why? Do you know why fundamental analysis is difficult? Didex. Yes, Andrews Bell and Zoras Malik. Didex. Let's do Didex. And Vinm. Didex. Mm-hmm. Didex, compared to many other coins, didn't do a reload. It's really interesting. It looks like this coin could have some power within. That's what I like. That's what I like when I analyze technical analysis. For me, it's important that there would be no significant sizes that would be broken. At this moment, have a look how this coin exactly retested this significant volume. And that significant volume become at this moment the most important support area. Let's do 60%. This significant volume becomes the most important support for this coin. That's really beautiful. Plus, this coin, compared to all other market, didn't make a real lows. It shows that this coin really powerful and strong as a market. And also at this moment, it is above VWAP. That means it's really interesting to trade this coin at this moment. At this moment, it is exactly at this significant volume, exactly here. They cleaned all this, like they already did this cleaning. They reclaim volume profile, and especially if price confirms some rise and retest to this volume profile, there could be a good place to take long. This coin looks way better than the H bar, honestly, based on technical analysis. Magic. Let's cover magic. Magic Network, have a look. Whole entire market bleeds with so much blood, but this magic stuff, have a look where they are now. They still keep this coin above this significant volume profile and exactly as a support. That's really interesting because this coin looks really strong as that whole entire market. And if this coin really really some interesting thing, that this stuff, this area, it's exactly good area to take a trade. Because have a look, compare this. Let me delete all of this stuff and make you beautiful this shot. Have a look again. At this moment, it is value areas. And at this moment, it is exactly retested this value area. While whole entire market get dropped dramatically, while BTC is down, while some like FTX nearly burned, this stuff only retested. And where was this the biggest volume where it entered? Biggest volume were yesterday during this candle and this candle, and they did this real low. At this moment, I would wait for some entry, because have a look at this moment what they did. They bounced from this local volume area. Like in what cases I would took a trade? Only in two cases I would take long at this moment on this coin. First case, it is price breaks this volume, and after that retested. Here we would take long, or price retests this volume area, and here significant some size appears, we can take long. That's two places where we can take. But magic, if we analyze it only based on technical analysis, it looks way stronger than whole entire market. Why is that happened? Honestly, I do not know. Why it is not focusing. Tell me what options you have. The same Dogecoin, have a look how they also reached exactly the significant volume area and stopped here. Price respect volume. That's only one stop that price respect. That's it. Okay, let's see what is going to happen with BTC, because BTC is still below VWAP. Maybe there would be finally breakup, because only if breakup happens, BTC could retest and reach that area. If not, all of these lows would be taken and cleaned. I doubt just a little. What do you mean, my friend? Explain, please, because I maybe missed the context where you tell about this stuff. And let's do OP. OP teaser. Oh. Really interesting coin. OP. As you can see at this moment, biggest volume established exactly here, not at the bottom. That's the problem. And this one. They exactly retested this major volume area. Let's see what will be the next, because what I like here the most, that during BTC relow, BTC dropped below its low, this coin still didn't drop. That's what I like. But still, a really good place to consider long, it would be at retest to this area, 77. At this area, I would set alert. Plus, what's going on at this moment right now locally? Locally, we do not have some really clear areas that we can use as a trade. That's why about OP, I would really, in this area, if price would reach here, that would be a really cool place to consider some long. For short, for short, honestly, my friend, it's a little bit too late to take to consider some short, because really good short were way higher when price retested all of the significant volumes. That was the time when we would need to consider some short trade. But at this moment, price really far from any significant value area where we can consider some short trades. Okay, let's see on BTC. Have a look, guys. Yeah, I can see that my camera was out of focus. That's why I updated it. Okay. Guys, at this moment, have a look what's going on. BTC at this moment dropping out from this value area. Do we have any additional confirmation for a trade? Because at this moment, delta on BTC is super negative. On a spot and on a futures, delta super negative. If all of this pattern, all of this stuff would be above volume, and all of the stuff would be like VWAP would be here, we would immediately take a trade. But at this moment, this situation is so much controversial, because in normal case, VWAP, price still below VWAP. That means at this moment, we should still be looking for short. At this moment, price nearly this significant size, but there wasn't any significant stop loss hunt. That's why it's really it's not the best if we consider some entry. FTX just moves around this major volume area. Let's see what will be with FTX, because this coin, I think soon there could be some interesting movement. Because why I think so? Because someone built really large position. Let's do alerts above here, and let's do alerts way below here. Because I think if a coin would reach this low, here would be perfect place to take long. Atom. Mhm. Atom, by the way, Atom started this local bull run while whole entire market were dropping and rose by nearly 200%. For me, it's really interesting because the most important question, why is that happen? And at this moment, it looks that Atom was really strong as that whole entire market. And at this moment, what's the most important question? Can Atom continue all of this stuff or not? Can Atom continue? Let's come back to BTC, guys. At this moment, I think BTC showed to us that BTC clearly failed to break this significant size. BTC at this moment failed to break this significant volume area. Let's pay attention what will be the next, because big chance that at this moment they're going to take stop losses of all of these people. It is spot. Let's open futures. In a case if BTC moves down to the 17,200, what will be the next lowest local point for BTC? Next lowest point, my friend. Really huge and the biggest support for BTC at this moment, it is on this chart. It is 12K. It is really huge support for BTC. At this moment, it's difficult to say will price reach that area or not, because a lot of people say that BTC would drop to 16, 15, but honestly, no one knows for sure how deep it could drop. That's why it's important to see what will be the next. Have a look on this really interesting volumes that entered. Mhm. Mhm. Have a look, guys. BTC is going to drop really heavily. Okay. Guys, BTC is going to drop really a lot. Let's see this real low. Mm-hmm, 976. Let's see, will BTC take at least real low? Okay. I closed BTC at this moment. Pay attention what BTC did. BTC, example for you, have volume area played out quite often. BTC failed to break this volume area. And what BTC at this moment did, this massive and beautiful real low on a spot market. Really huge volume at this moment enters BTC on a spot market, and let's see, will any significant volume appears in a spot market to consider it as a volume that we can use for a long trade. At this moment, guys, BTC really in a huge place. It is really cool place for all of us on BTC. Because if at this moment any significant volume appears on BTC at this real low, that could be one of the greatest place to take this trade, to take a trade on BTC. Oh my god. If this real low is a fake breakdown, let's see, could be there any additional significant patterns for entry. Because at this moment I don't see any alerts from significant volumes. Let's check maybe here. Would be any significant volumes on BTC. BTC at this moment just bounced from this significant size and 17K on a spot market. Let's see if will be the additional breakdown, guys. Are you here? Solana. About Solana, really bad news for Solana, because Solana, there could be a really huge and massive drop for Solana, because let's pay attention to this BTC on the spot market, because that's way more interesting. Have a look. At this moment, we have this limit order. We have this limit order on BTC. On the spot market, pay attention, guys. This 828 BTC as a support at 17,000. This stuff what I shows to you, it is a spot chart. Let's open. It is futures chart. Let's open spot chart because for me it's interesting to see will that spot chart become support, massive support or not. This significant volume, guys. Coolest stuff is that would be fake breakdown. That would be the best for us. If fake breakdown of this volume happens, we could take long, local long on BTC. Yeah, I just zoom the screen. Yeah, my friend, I just zoom screen to you to see it really clearly. Volatility at this moment really massive. I didn't see such a huge volatility on a crypto for a big period of time. Holy shit. It's interesting to see how deep it could drop. $17. Have a look. This one. This volume. 900. Will it drop really deeply? Holy shit. A platform freezed. Holy shit. A platform just freezed. Guys, I took local long. I don't know will it's really risky stuff because exactly at this size, price did break down of the size, but nothing happened. And in a case if this stuff is a fake breakdown, if you just saw fake breakdown, I took a local long on BTC as this one. Let's see will it played out. Stop loss below low. It's against a trend, really not like if you take a trade against a trend, take it with smaller sizing and smaller stop loss because if price do go against a trend, there must be really sharp and fast pullback because if there is no reaction on a size, there would be like nothing would happen. 17K. This price moves around this significant volume. Honestly, volatility and volume increased dramatically because I didn't see such big volumes for a big period of time. Let's see. Because if that would be a continue of a drop, really huge volume. It's insane what's going on with the market. Honestly, during such, I took it 70. I took it 70. You took long? Sadly, it is against the trend. Sadly, this stuff against the trend. We took this local short, close it, but this stuff against the trend. And if price goes down, just get out and don't try to beat the market. Like if this size serious, this size immediately should become important support, because if this size is not serious, that won't become important support, and price would not react. There must be reaction of that volume. Holy shit. Guys, I didn't see such DOM for months. Last time I saw such volatility and volumes in a DOM during Luna crash. Last time I saw it only during Luna crash. It's insane. Volume really insane. OP, ADA. Rumors that Binance not going through the 50x deal could be Max BTC scam. Max, honestly, whole entire financial system is have paradigm scheme. That's why there are a lot of scams, and the most important question: do you make money on that scam or not? About BTC as a technology, I do not speak about as a technology. I'm only about trading. That's it. Because there are so many guys that speak that it is like technology, all of that stuff. I like Bitcoin because still concept that no one can take money from you is really great. But I cannot say that there is not enough speculation, because I think there are far more speculation on this stuff than real part of technology, because so many people buy BTC not because of their technology, because of store value of all of this stuff, only because they would like to speculate. That's why all of this stuff happens. But same stuff with stocks. What about like Meta? Meta platform. Have a look on this stock. It also get dropped by 77% from all-time high. Is it not a scam? Or Tesla? Tesla Incorporated. It's down from all-time high by 54%, but also before it pumped by insane 2,000%. Is this a scam or not? Who else? Netflix. Netflix. Insane 76% down. All financial markets, they are up and down always. They will always move up and down because it is their nature, because people speculate, people want to make money on all of this. And because of that, they will go up and down always. And retails as always buy all of this stuff when it moves a lot, because retails think if it rose up, they still could rise, and it's really safe to buy after some significant rise. It's really scary to buy, for example, BTC at this moment 17, BTC at 17. For people that believe in BTC, it's really awesome time to start DCA. It may be greatest time to start DCA. No one knows will you get the same opportunity. But for retails, it was way easier to buy BTC at 50 or at 35 when Elon Musk told to buy it. That's why BTC at 12K made maybe why 12? Better if it will drop to 6. let's be honest, you don't know will BTC drop to 12,000. You don't know it, because if you would, you could take a trade with good leverage and make money on it. I don't know will it drop or rise. At this moment, we saw a fake breakdown of significant size, and if we will be lucky, there could be some local rise from this size, because at real low, really huge volume entered on BTC, really huge. It is good, cool buy zone. And at this moment, if everything is okay, BTC could reach even this 180 to 150. Because just to drop from this area, it would be too much money for short sellers. I think before any additional drop, they would need to take stop losses of short sellers. And beautiful reload with significant volume, good potential opportunity for local rise. Will it happen? No one knows. But still, if price moves, risk reward awesome. That's real trading. But when you say you know for sure that it would drop to 12K, why you wouldn't just explain to me why? Why would not you take a trade with massive leverage? Guys, remind to you that it is important to push like on this stream and subscribe to this channel to be updated, because a lot of lessons that will help you make money in order flow trading. Have a look here. You open this YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, and what you'll find, whole playlist with scalping by Dom Footprint, order flow, crypto trading. A lot of lessons that will help you trade entirely for free. All of these lessons, just right now, subscribe. I will send to you all of this. About Discord, yeah, let me move stop loss in not loss. What's the problem to move stop loss in not loss? You can move it a little bit closer to current price, but exactly to not loss. Honestly, in many cases, it's not the best option. I move stop loss closer, but not in the break even. Why? Because have a look on this crazy volatility. For BTC, it's really easy to take all of the stuff and after that move. And if we exactly move at break even, what's the problem? It could easily take break even and after that move, and that would be painful for us. Discord. Bought BTC at 60, buy more at 30, sold at 20. Yeah, and good profit. Awesome. Yeah, awesome. About Discord, let me send to you our beautiful Discord server. Invite people. Join. BTC retesting this major value area. If BTC breaks this top, that would be really additional massive drop. Remember, when you take a trade against a trend, there must be low, very low predictable stop loss. Only in that case, you can take a stop loss, you can take a trade against a trend. Never take a trade against a trend if you don't understand where you will put really small stop loss. At this moment, on the futures, we have this significant volume, and on the spot, we also have at 17K significant volume. If it's that become a support, good, we have good entry. If not, just get out, because A moment of truth, a moment of history at this moment. Have a look how it moves around our entry point. Guys, at this moment, type into a chat, what do you think will be the continuous drop? Type 1. And type 2 if at this moment BTC is going to pump. And within some 20 minutes, 10 minutes, we will see who were right. Crazy volatility. Holy shit. No, 1%. Let's do 1% because too close to significant size. This one. Dump more. We'll dump. You went short. No, we took long at fake breakdown of the significant volume. Let's see what happened with ETH. Because on ETH also interesting volume entered. 3.3. We took this long against the trend. Guys, honestly, I don't like to trade during such volatility. I like when market calm and to take really calm trades, because at this moment I didn't see such volatility for big period of time. And in terms of volume, in terms of volatility and all of this stuff, that's really difficult to trade. Those of you that set stop loss into break even, you're already out of a trade. That's example for you why break evens is not the best. Like we don't know will price really respect this volume and confirm fake breakdown. 17K exactly here. If price drops below, we get out by this stop loss. That will be a signal that this fake breakdown of volume on the spot market didn't play out. It's exactly this one. Too powerful sell pressure. Oh my god. Sell pressure is insane. Yeah, I'll compare, my friend. Let's see at this moment what will happen with BTC. If this support really works well, from this area, price easily can go by some maybe 5-10%, because let's see. Because if price really confirms this fake breakdown, there could be move even to or retest this area or even this area 7%. But there must be a for start confirmation that it was really fake breakdown on a spot market. because price, as you can see, moves around this significant low, and there must be impulse. There must be impulse up to confirm it, because volumes that entered at level really huge, guys. I didn't see such volume for a while. Honestly, for a while, didn't see such volume. Honestly, at this moment, it's a little bit unusual for me, because as I told you, I like calm market when you have time to prepare, when you have time to analyze and all of this stuff. But at this moment, it's so you should behave so fast. And there must be impulse at this moment. If there would be no impulse, it would be really not good. My friends, at this moment, I would like to my friends, I would like to you at this moment invite into our Discord, where we trade several times per week with our members, where I share my trade analysis, trading plans, signals that we take on daily basis with all our members. To get access to all of this stuff, we decided with our team that you have two options. You can buy all of this, and also you can join by opening account on our trustful exchange and deposit at least 100 USD and trade on it. What's our benefit? Because I sent to you, like here is a post and offer. Because at this moment with my team, we are looking for a way where we can help you in scalping and generate, like, you get education, you learn how to trade, and we help you make money, and from our side how to generate profit all the time. And at this moment, one exchange proposes us a solution. They share a percent of fee with us, and that's really interesting for us, and that's interesting for you, because we'll share with you master classes where we show how to trade, trading strategies, trading plans that you can trade, and when significant volume appears, some interesting signals. That's why here I sent to you a link into chat, the link to exchange that we use, and here is this one link, a form. If you would like to take part in this offer, just open account, fill the form, and remember to deposit at least 100 USD and do some trades, because only if you will trade on that account you will get access. Type plus into a chat if it's really interesting for you. If that stuff would be interesting for you, type plus. I will show to you where to write. My team can help you with all of these details. Okay, looks like it was really a fake breakdown, or not? What do you think? There must be impulse. If there would be no impulse up, that means it is not a fake breakdown. It just follow S&P. Yes and no. Have a look. S&P were in this rise, and BTC did this massive drop. Not always, honestly. I know about correlation between I remember we wrote article about this stuff. Mhm. I remember we wrote article about this stuff, but at this moment I can find that article. Maybe this one. I can find that article. Yes, BTC and S&P have a correlation. Guys, if BTC at this moment breaks this range, that would be really good. That would be a signal that our trade is good and we will keep it. There is a lot of overselling. I agree with you, my friend, because they dump heavily to liquidate nearly every player, and because of that, it's really good opportunity for us. Guys, those of you that put plus, what you should do at this moment. To those of you that would like to join that offer that I told you about exchange, what you do, once more, I sent to you this link into a chat, and that would be all what you need. Like you open this link, and that would be all instructions that you need. Just let me show to you. You will get such form. What you do after that with that form? Firstly, you open account on this exchange, Bybit, that we use together. If you from US, highly recommend you for start to write your name, and my team will help you to open account because you will need VPN, all of that stuff. Deposit at least 100 USD, and after that, my team will give you access to Discord. When you deposit and do at least some trades. Or on if big size entered. That's really interesting. It looks like my computer is not responding to me. Because there's so much volume trades at this moment that my computer is not responding normally for me. Let me close maybe some apps. I have really good computer, and at this moment it is not responding to me. On if at this moment, big volume enters on if. Need to say Danny that he calls CZ, that CZ write something about BTC pump. Looks like BTC is going to pump. Let me close this platform and reopen it because, guys, too hot. Tomorrow is the CPI call. Will it fall more after the announcement? Depends what will be the numbers. If numbers will be the same as forecast, I don't think really something big would happen. If CPI would be really worse, there could be some impact. I traded on news. I had a special soft to trade on news, clickers, and when price did really big movement on the news, when there were a forecast, for example, like CPI 10%, but CPI came out like 11%. Yeah, and market during that stuff did massive reaction because if CPI increase, that means Fed will continue rising interest rates, and they could go to 4 or even 6%. That would be biggest, by the way, interest rate in the last 20 years. And that's why it's important for the markets, because prices of mortgages, loans, all of that stuff would increase. And that's why for markets, it will have really long-term big impact. Some small CPI number. That's why let's see what will be the number, and you will see price reaction, and that will tell you everything what you need to know about it. Okay, BTC still moves around. Let's check some other top coins. Maybe there would be some movement around that. Okay, someone wrote to me that our ideas is good. Okay. BTC still below this size, still below this local volume area. It already trades 30 minutes around this volume. That's really interesting. Guys, write into a chat about this trading session. Do you like this trading session? Rate it in the terms of 10. How would you rate this trading session from 1 to 10? And one thing, share with me one thing that you really like, and what should we improve to make it way better and way interesting for you. Max, thank you. 12, thank you. Also, we are looking for ideas for update. If you have any ideas for update, it's really good to share it, because we like to make our services better and very comfortable for you. That's why I always ask about this stuff. It's clear, when we make money, it is 10. When we don't make money, it is 1. About BTC, let's see. Will this played out? Because sadly, price didn't do breakup of this range. Because in normal cases, what must be? Price do fake breakdown. Price do fake breakdown. There's some range, and after that, there must be a pump. If there is not a pump, that means it is not a fake breakdown, because they already grabbed a lot of liquidity. Have a look how much volume they grabbed during this only this 5-minute candle, and but people that grabbed that liquidity, they don't move higher. That's really strange for me. That's so strange for me. I hope next time I will plan for next week a stream. I hope next time I will have better mood, because yesterday when I in the evening I thought we would cancel the stream because I had temperature nearly 37.5 Celsius. It's like something like COVID, nearly same symptoms. But during the night everything become okay, but still small headache. That's why for me it's difficult to concentrate at this moment a little bit. That's why I before the stream I even didn't do a proper preparation for a homework and some plans. But in the future we will do it. Awesome, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your very knowledgeable new type of trading. This honestly, this type of trading, it is not new. It is type of trading that guys in prop firms use, because we are as a retails, we so stuck with some RCI, all of that stuff, and we don't start from beginnings. And honestly, for me, it's so sad that I didn't start learning DOM footprint at the early days of my career, because I started learning it only 2.5 years ago, and I'm really like, it's really sad because some RCI and ICD, we spend so much time with that. Okay, BTC again retesting this, come here to retest this volume area. That's not good, honestly, because in normal cases, in normal cases, fake breakdown, price would do a reaction very fast, but at this moment they do it some really strange. It's really strange for me. Let's open maybe here. What's going on? No, guys, it is not the good. It's not good for fake breakdown. No. It's not good because they failed to, at this moment, they failed to break all of these levels. They failed to break these local levels. You saw it, exactly this one. That's not good because only breakout of those levels will be signals that buyers really in a power. Also, pay attention to this cumulative delta. On a market at this moment, someone's selling so much coin by market. And only in this case, if there would be breakup, we will have divergence. Only that would confirm really awesome stuff. How many of you know what's cumulative delta? And the same stuff on the spot market, super negative cumulative delta. We must have divergence. Only when there would be divergence on cumulative delta, that would be a signal of final reversal. Because what this stuff means, this stuff showed to us when people sell coins by market. Like you sell by market, hit someone limit order, and during that time delta goes down. But when during that time, instead of dropping price, do exactly opposite, slowly rise, that's a signal of absorption. And only in that case, it is a signal of reversal. Someone absorbed sellers. If at this moment someone would absorb sellers and price would move above, that would be finally a signal of reversal. We wait for it. By the way, you trade 5 years. Did you trade a fix or you traded crypto or stocks? What markets did you trade? Oh, crypto. Awesome. Awesome. Man, in 2017, crypto, it was just learn how to trade breakouts and you are god of trading. Honestly, many years before, it was so easier to trade because at this moment, a lot of funds, hedge funds are in a crypto space and it's really difficult to compete with them. At this moment, have a look what's going on. BTC established this local volume area that's on 5 minutes. And price below it. Guys, with big chance additional drop is going to happen because BTC again fails to break all of this stuff, sadly. I keep it until a sell because I don't want to go against. But still, without breakup of all of this stuff, there is no confirmation of a trade. Plus, sellers have a look on this negative delta. Delta is going down. That means people sell heavily by market, and only if price breaks, there would be divergence, and that would called absorption, as I told you. But at this moment, it is not what we can predict before. We can see it when that happens. That's a problem because we're already in a trade. You close a sell? No, mate. A sell is here. 1943 year. I do not close. Like if price hit a sell, I get out by a sell, but I keep it because a sell or profit. Sadly, that our XRP, that size played out and price dropped from that significant size into that area that I told you. Okay, 17K they retest. If price breaks this down, there must be really big drop. 17K retested again. Yeah. Goodbye, my position. Goodbye, my position. Goodbye, my position. I like to take stop losses to reduce my risk. I like to take stop losses to reduce my risk. Someone's selling heavily. Delta going negative. Delta is going super negative. Have a look, guys. Bigger problem that all of this stuff is against global trend. All this idea is against global trend, and we don't know when trend will reversal, and that's not the like. It's really the most difficult stuff to find where trend will be where trend reversal. And what we do at this moment, it's like really super risky stuff. When you take a trade against a trend, your stop loss always must be small, and better to take trades against a trend during some real lows where significant size appears. It's like a trade that we took yesterday on ETH. This trade. Why the trade were insanely awesome? Because price did beautiful reload, where that stuff was on ETH yesterday. This one. Because price did beautiful reload, there were level. Price drops that level, here significant size appears, and price immediately by impulse reach higher area. And that's it. What was after doesn't matter. But stop loss in that case really tiny because they grab that liquidity and they can go down. Let's see at this moment they again bounce it, like they give to us again hope, guys. Rom Canada, how can I participate, David? CZ is not going to say FTX, recent CoinDesk news. let's see what will happen, because honestly it will be better if CZ would save FTX, because in that case at least funds of people would be saved. I understand that CZ fucked CEO of FTX, but far more important it is that ecosystem still will survive, because the worst stuff what could happen if money of holders will be frozen. That's the worst stuff that could possibly happen. That's what I don't. Okay, guys, looks like BTC is going to break. Mhm. Oh my god, so big volatility. I didn't see it for many years, days. Yeah, stop loss taken. Lucky. Yes, the other way how you can join, you can open an account on exchanges that are not centralized. Okay, BTC dropping. Let's see how far it could drop. Ooh, someone just got liquidated. Holy shit. Guys, someone just got liquidated. Have a look on this 1 minute candle. 9,000. Holy shit. Okay, let's try to reopen, because they just liquidated someone without even closing a 5 minutes candle below it. Holy shit. So big volume, I didn't see it for a while. Nine thousand BTC. What do you mean 9,900 here? Where is 9,500? No, there is not such amount of BTC. I didn't see it. At this moment, what's going on BTC? What's the most interesting? Let's cover the significant volumes. Like only this volumes that traded. Really interesting. On a spot, nothing. What about ETH? XRP? Huh. About XRP, price exactly bounced from view up. Have a look into this area. Sadly, we took a trade at size, and size didn't like that size didn't price did not respect that size. BNB close to real low. About Solana, guys, at this moment it's really strange what's going on with Solana. because they just dropped into 12 USD, and it looks like Solana. My God, I don't know what will happen with Solana, because Solana at this moment, have a look, just 300,000 coins traded. Oh my God, it's insane what's going on at this moment with the market. But it looks like someone will be liquidated heavily. $396. So scam. Yeah, it could scam and take all money from the people. Holy. I re-entered local scalp on BTC, guys. Honestly, not the best day for me, because for me it's difficult to trade during such volatility. Too many volatility, and there's nearly no significant volumes that at this moment we could trade around, and that's why price like all of these trades I do with really small volume, because just to show to you. But it is not the best stuff that we can trade. Holy. Holy poly. They took stop losses. Have a look. 1 minute candle, 2 minute candle, nearly 9,000 BTC. It's insane. Any buying price for Sol? Man, any buying price for Sol? Are you serious? Tomorrow, 1 billion worth of Sol will be unlocked. Do you want to buy before it? I think tomorrow people in a panic will sell their Sol coins, and after that, that would be a time to buy it, because at this moment, Sol, have a look, it already crashed by 58%, and at this moment, it's dangerous to buy because volume increased dramatically, but price won't make any movement up. That's not good, because in normal cases, it just reminds me Luna, Terra Luna, when that coin started dropping, like volume become insanely high, volume insanely increased dramatically. Have a look, dramatically volume increased. Again, dramatically bigger, and always time bigger. But what happened, my friend? Coin, it didn't stop from drop. Coin dropped more, and they restarted this blockchain, all of this stuff, but still it dropped to zero. Actually, it dropped to zero. And okay. Okay, guys. Friends, at this moment, I remind you to subscribe to this channel to be updated in the future. And we create a lot of content that will help you understand order flow, start making money on it, strategies, indicators, all what you need. And at this moment, we're already 3 hours together. And I think I become a little bit tired, and for me, it's difficult to continue. That's why we are going to finish our stream. At this moment, I would ask you again to rate our stream and a few words what was the most interesting for you and what we can improve to make it better. Tiger Trade or C-scalp? C-scalp 100% not C-scalp. C-scalp horrible. In that case, better Tiger. Also, Atas good. Vitaly, thank you. About Sol, it depends on fundamental value on Sol because during this crypto winter, a lot of crypto projects will die because, for example, like Solana at this moment it dropped to number 13 in coin market cap, but it was in top 10. Solana market cap, why is it market cap? What they did on top 79 billions, and at this moment it dropped from 11 to 6. About Sol, people, I think people start panic sell Sol, and tomorrow unlock it also could be a fun that to force people to sell it even more before tomorrow's news. If you understand fundamental value of Sol, you can start accumulating it. And if you buy it for a long term, best to buy it always by parts because you never know when exactly price would start any moment. That's it. Okay, at this moment, BTC slowly moves up. Let's see if this final reload, it was really, let's see if, what is a really place good for entry. If price reach a view up, you just move stop loss into break even and keep this trade. If not, there would be additional stop loss. Terry, thank you, my friend. Terry, thank you. Terry, I like at this moment only ask to all you guys subscribe because it's really how this stuff works. When you subscribe, YouTube show this content to more people, and I have like even to hire people into a team, it require funds, all of this stuff, and as more views, it's way easier to accumulate it and create really cool stuff for you. Any big volume on BTC at this moment? Not only at 17K there was this volume. That's it. At this moment we took some small scalp, but it wasn't really because of huge size. Terry, when you're feeling better and trading live again, more details on your thoughts process during would be a great. I think next time I will do better preparation because it's important to have good health and mood because I speak all the time and analyze, and it takes a lot of capacity of my computer. Okay, guys. Thank you for your time. See you next time. I think on next week I will try to do maybe even 2 streams on Tuesday and Thursday just to test it. Thank you for your time. Remember to go to channel on a channel page, because in the description and in the channel page you'll find a lot of lessons that entirely free for you. Here is a scalping playlist I sent to you. Just save, watch at least first 10 videos that will help you understand about this concept and that stuff for free. Thank you. Bye.